So we're going to put some oil at the bottom of the pan and put in some diced zucchini as well as diced onions and sliced carrots. Season that up in the pot. And also we're going to add in some spinach as well. We're going to cook it very soft so it can be blended in the blender. Inside of this blender, we're going to add some ricotta cheese. I know you're like, what? Yes, we're going to blend it all together. You're going to have to use your spatula too to get to the bottom just to make sure it's all blended and pulsed together. Then we're going to come in with some ragu marinara sauce at the bottom of our pan. The noodles that we're using are oven-ready noodles. You don't have to boil these noodles at all. We're going to layer it with the noodles and the spinach mixture. Then we're going to put some mozzarella cheese on the top of that layer as well as some Parmesan cheese and continue the process. In my last vegetable dish, I added meat. This is going to be a meatless vegetable lasagna. No meat at all. This is the last layer. I want to make sure that I let you guys know that you do have to cover this dish up for 15 minutes in the oven of 365. And after the 15 minutes, uncover it so the top can get all bubbly and cheesy and gooey. Our vegetable lasagna is completely done. It is cheesy, it is bubbly, it is good. Make sure you season those vegetables good so you can have some flavor in this dish.